Hello everyone, now I'll be making this heart shape. So to start off with, you should be left with this mold. Now following this, begin to make the heart shapes onto the other sides as well. Now once you join the midpoint, join it together so that it stays. After it falls through, you may continue on and do the third portion of the same. Now do this until you reach the middle and join it to the top. This will be your heart shape. Now we'll be learning how to make this cycle-like shape. So in order to do so, we will start off with the wheels. Make sure that you make very small curly shapes that go up and down as you can see. This will make the wheels of the bike. The more precise they are, all the more better they look. Make sure that you are very precise while you do so. Now start off by making a circular shape to begin with and then make a line outside the circle. Afterwards, move on and then continue on to make the same lines right beside the first shape that you have created. You may make them bigger and bigger as you proceed, as you can see that we are doing in the video. Now continue to do so and it should almost look a little like a fan shape. Now although each of the linings may look slightly different, that is bigger, make sure that they are the small and the same size. Afterwards, continue on and then make an entire circle out of this. Once again, make sure that they are precisely cut out, and then this will be the final look of it once you are done. Make sure that all of the sides have enough of a gap between them as well. Now start off by making the initial circle in the center. After you've made these rectangular shapes right in the circle or even triangular shapes, make an outer bound for them as such. Make pyramid-like structures in each of the outer bounds as you can see that we are doing. Now finally, once you are done, you will be joining it to the side that you have started from, and then the inner layer will fall through as you can see. Now start off by making the star-like shape. On the outer bounds, begin to draw a circle out of it, and on each of the outer bounds, begin to connect each of the edges to it as you can see, so that that portion of it falls through. Next, we will start off by making multiple circles of different sizes starting from a central point. Move from outside in as you can see. One line will be starting from the inside and the other will come from the outside, forming your circles. Thank you for watching.